It's Thailand's New Year, yeah. And we don't participate in that, you know. They're just throwing water over each other all day and all night. And no. I did it the first year I was here, you know. I went down to, I was in Bangkok. Are we in Bangkok? Yeah. Yeah, I was in Bangkok. I did the whole Songkran thing there. And I did it the year after when we were in Phuket on Bangla Road. Yeah. But where's Alfie going? In case, you know, something comes out and attacks him. He's got no fear at all, you know, Alfie. Anyway, beautiful views today, look. No, Alfie's back. I'm not doing Songkran, it's just, I know it's a very special day in Thailand, it's like their New Year, you know, and but they just throw water at each other all day and all night. And the water guns are getting bigger every year, you know. And not only that, people are using firemen's hoses and stuff like that now. You know, it can be quite dangerous, especially if you're driving along and they throw a bucket of cold ice, water, as you're driving along on the road. No, I'm not doing it this year. Especially when I've got my wee man there with me, you know. You don't want to do that, do you? No. We don't want to get wet and stuff. It hates the rain. Okay, we didn't do Songkran. Actually, it's Songkran today. And we're not participating. We're here for the sunset, look. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be a beauty tonight. It is. It is going to be a beauty. Alfie's here, look, we're all ready. Yeah. So a very short and sweet video tonight. We'll just come and do the sunset really. But nothing to eat. We can't go on the road, we'll just get drenched, man. Every 10 feet there's somebody with a water gun or a bucket of water. And we don't want to be involved this year really. I want to stay dry and super dry. There we are. Let's have a look down on the let's have a look down the seafront now. Come on. Ooh, up in the water. Yes, we're going to have a nice long, see look, all the clouds are out tonight, look, nice long stretch, nice clouds. They're not like any other skies that I've seen before. We are then, another day in paradise. probably leave you, yeah, because it's really late now. The sun's just going down. Got something to eat, and hope we won't get wet on the way home. Alright, but we'll see you next time.